Hey guys, what's up? I'm Emem and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be transforming myself, you know, trying to glam up a little bit. So I'm going to be glamming up for the New Year's, just like a makeup tutorial slash get ready with me for a New Year's makeup look and outfit and everything, you know. So right now I look terrible, as y'all can see. I washed my hair and so they're still in twists. I moisturized it, so I haven't taken my hair out of twists. So right now I'm just like very base, like the canvas is just like clean and nothing. And so I decided to do like a transformation video, so for makeup, hair, and outfit. And so yeah, let's see how this goes. Let's start this video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is priming my face with the Bare Minerals Prime Time primer. I always use this, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of it and put on my face. So after using my primer, I'm gonna go in with my setting powder. I actually learned this trick from Aina and I actually liked it. I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder for this look after my primer. And this was such an interesting thing. So I just did a video trying to follow a Aina tutorial, and so she did this where she put satin powder on her face before her foundation, and so that blew my mind, and I decided to try it out, and I really liked it. So I feel like it's something that I'm definitely going to add to my routine for sure, and so it's definitely something that I'm doing now. Oh my god, I look terrible. So now I'm going to go ahead and actually do my eyebrows, since they're not done yet, and I like to do my eyebrows first before I do my foundation or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. My eyebrows are very, like, I have a lot of hair right now. I actually like when they're thick because I feel like that's when I actually get the best eyebrows, like actually drawing it out. So now to conceal, I'm gonna use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. And now for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 450. And so now I'm going to be using the same concealer under my eyes. I'm gonna put some of it on my forehead, my chin. So to contour, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Stick Foundation in the shade Earth. I actually just got this and I'm really excited to try it out. So let's see. Now that's very convenient to just like be able to just roll it on. Alright, now so I'm just gonna blend it in. So for my eyes, I'm just gonna be using this Tarte palette, type Performance Naturals, I guess. So it's just like really pretty palette, like comes like this, and then it has like the eyeshadow. So this is what I'm gonna be using, and so I'm gonna be using 3 colors, which are this pretty one here, Upgrade, Hidden Gem, and Memories. So as a base, I'm gonna be using the Memories, the brown one. I'm gonna grab a little bit of that and put that in my crease. And then gonna grab some of Upgrade I put it like right below my crease. And take some of Hidden Gem and put it in my inner eyelid. I'm also gonna put some in my tear duct. And then I'm gonna be using my Benefit's The Real mascara. So that's what the eyes look like. Very pretty. I like it. And so for bronzer, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. bronzer. So I actually forgot to use setting powder over my concealer, but I feel like it looks okay. Hopefully. I'm just not gonna do it. I think it looks fine. So now I'm gonna use the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And while that dries, I'm gonna start working on my hair. So I'm gonna take them out of the twists now. So I'm just going to put my hair in a high puff. It's actually my favorite thing to do with my hair. So I'm just going to comb this out. So my hair is done. I put it in a high puff. It looks really cute. I love it. I love how it looks. So we're going to be ending with a red lip. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip in Uncensored and also my L'Oreal lip liner right here. Okay, so that's the red lip. I think that just brings everything together. It looks really pretty. And finally, I'm going to be using the highlighter in the Tarte thing. In the one that's called Beach Bud. That's what I'm going to be using to highlight. So that's a final makeup look. I think it looks really nice and I hope you guys like it. And also the hair brings everything together, you know. Oh, slay in. So I'm just gonna put in these earrings as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wear my dress. Looks so good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wear my dress. Okay, so my dress is on. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like very soon. I just want to show you guys, you know, how the shoulder bones, you know, model, slay, queen, slay. So that's it, you know, I'm just feeling this, you know. Alright, now let's see the full outfit. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me transform into this. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. I hope 2019 is an amazing year for you guys, and thank you so much for watching my channel, and please subscribe and like my video. I have more videos coming in 2019. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, join the family, like this video. Peace and strength. Bye.